The most elegant hairstyles, effortlessly chic looks for every hair type. You might think the key to an elegant look lies in the perfect outfit, but here's the truth. Your hairstyle holds just as much power to transform your presence. From Audrey Hepburn's timeless grace to Sophia Loren's classic glamour, the most iconic women in history have understood the power of a perfectly styled look. Their secret? Timeless hairstyles that exude effortless sophistication. In today's video, we're unveiling even more elegant hairstyles, chic, polished styles that complement every hair type. And the best part? We'll guide you step by step on how to achieve these breathtaking looks with ease. So, let's get started. 1. The sleek chignon, the definition of refined beauty. Let's start with a hairstyle that exudes pure sophistication. The sleek chignon. This polished, low bun has been a red carpet favorite for decades, worn by everyone from old Hollywood icons to modern-day fashion muses. What makes the chignon so timeless is its simplicity. It's the perfect balance of structure and softness, making it ideal for everything from formal events to an elegant night out. How to achieve the sleek chignon? Start by brushing your hair back into a low ponytail and securing it with a hair tie. Apply a touch of smoothing serum to tame flyaways and give it that polished finish. Twist the ponytail into a coil, wrapping it around the base to form a neat circular bun. Secure it with bobby pins, tucking in any loose strands for a sleek, effortless look. Finish with a light mist of hairspray for hold and shine. And there you have it, a look that's simple yet undeniably chic. Two, the voluminous ponytail, a modern twist on a classic. If you love hairstyles that are effortless yet sophisticated, the voluminous ponytail is a must-try. It's sleek, polished, and full of movement, making it perfect for both day-to-night styling. How to achieve the voluminous ponytail? Start by teasing the crown of your hair with a fine-tooth comb to create height. Gather your hair into a mid to high ponytail, securing it with a sturdy hair tie. Wrap a small section of hair around the base of the ponytail to hide the elastic for a sleek, seamless look. Use a large barrel curling iron to add soft waves to the ponytail for extra volume. Finish with texturizing spray to keep the style bouncy and full of movement. The result? A polished yet playful hairstyle that works for any occasion. 3. The softly pinned waves, romantic and effortlessly chic. There's nothing quite like soft, cascading waves when it comes to effortless elegance. But if you want to take this look to the next level, try the softly pinned waves, a modern take on a vintage-inspired style. This look is delicate, feminine, and undeniably chic, perfect for a date night, wedding, or any special occasion. Start by curling your hair with a 1-inch curling iron, wrapping each section away from your face. Lightly brush through the curls with a wide-tooth comb for that soft, romantic finish. Take 2 small sections from the front and pin them back at the crown, creating a subtle half-up effect. Add a pearl clip or decorative pin for an extra touch of sophistication. Finish with a light mist of flexible hold hairspray to keep the waves soft and natural. This style is effortless yet refined, perfect for when you want to look put together with minimal effort. 4. The braided low pony, a chic Parisian-inspired look. For a chic and sophisticated alternative to the traditional ponytail, the braided low pony is a must-try. Inspired by Parisian street style, this look is a beautiful blend of polished elegance and effortless charm. Start by parting your hair down the middle for that sleek, polished base. Take a small section from one side of your head and create a loose, 3-strand braid. Gather all your hair into a low ponytail, securing it with a hair tie. Wrap a small section of hair around the base to conceal the elastic. Gently pull apart the braid slightly for a softer, more effortless feel. This look is refined yet relaxed, making it perfect for brunch, work, or an evening out. 5. The classic silk scarf style, a timeless and elegant accessory. Sometimes the simplest hairstyle can become instantly elegant with the right accessory. And one of the most timeless ways to elevate any look? A classic silk scarf. Whether tied around a low ponytail, a bun, or even a loose braid, a silk scarf adds an instant touch of Parisian elegance. For a low ponytail, tie the scarf around the base of your ponytail and let the ends drape down for a soft, feminine effect. For a sleek bun, wrap the scarf around the bun and knot it at the side for a chic, effortless touch. For a loose braid, weave the scarf through your braid for a boho chic meets timeless elegance look. A neutral-toned or classic printed scarf, like polka dots or florals, adds the perfect finishing touch to any outfit, whether casual or formal. Which look will you try first? We hope today's video inspired you to try one of these elegant hairstyles. Whether you go for the sleek chignon, voluminous ponytail, softly pinned waves, braided low pony, or silk scarf style, there's a look for every occasion. Let us know in the comments which hairstyle you're most excited to try, and if you'd love a part 2. Until next time, stay elegant and confident. Bye, everyone.